So guys, it's my second time ever flying the drone. And there it is. It's crashed in a tree. It's actually just opposite my villa over there. I used the quick shot mode to do a circle. Everything was fine. I did like 4 quick shots, and on the last one, it just hit the tree. One of us is gonna have to climb up there. Hopefully it's not gonna be me. The dog is here to help. Lanka, where are you? No, it's getting dark now too. Guys, never fly a drone with high trees around, which we knew. Never fly a drone when it's about to get dark. But I just wanted to test it, and everything was working fine. Everything was working great. So the last shot, guys. Okay. She's come up with this. Right, hold on. Let me put this down. Yeah, no problem. Okay, hold on. Okay. Woo.
That's the sound of me celebrating. One of the guys took a long stick, knocked it out of the tree, and I happened to catch it. It is very beat up though, so hopefully it's gonna work.
All right, now that I'm back home, let's take a look if there's any damage. Definitely some scratches. This propeller looks like it's working. This one's good. I'm gonna be very impressed with DJI if this continues to work and fly after that massive crash into the trees. It just sucks that it was fine, and then just on all the settings except for one. I'm surprised none of these propellers broke. The camera itself looks like it might be okay. So we can power on. Maybe I should try flying it. Another thing you should never do is fly indoors, but I gotta try it out. And it's pitch black outside now, so I have high ceilings, turn off the fans. Just give this a shot. Ready to fly, little buddy?
So for whatever reason, there's not actually a microphone on the drone. Maybe because the propeller would make it too loud, but this is it hovering. I'm flying indoors, I'm looking left and right, and I am shocked that it is working. There's no scratches on the lens. It's hovering fine. I'm able to move left and right, back and forth. I need to take it out tomorrow morning still and actually give it a proper flight to see if it's going to work. But so far, I am very impressed with the durability of the DJI Mavic 2 for being able to handle that crash at probably around 20 meters, which is 66 feet. This is amazing. This is so incredible that I am able to continue flying this drone after it crashing in a tree and then getting knocked down and having me catch it, basically, just like I am catching it right now. So DJI, big thank you for making quality products. I am so excited to fly this tomorrow morning, and let's keep our fingers crossed and see if it works. But even if it doesn't, at least I was able to get the footage off of the drone and see how beautiful these shots were before it crashed, of course.
It's nobody's fault. These walls just got the best of us. Nobody's fault. Nobody's fault. If you don't love me now, you won't love me a second time. Nobody's fault. Nobody's fault. So baby,
can definitely see the scratches there. A little bit on the blades, but actually not too bad. So I'm gonna try to power it up and fly it today. All right, I'm gonna take off this cover and let's go. The best news is this lens is not scratched at all, so I think we're gonna be good to go, guys. Let's do another test flight. All right, so there's a bunch of humidity in the lens. I don't know if that has anything to do with just being super hot out. Then this is concerning because I don't know what it's trying to do, and it won't turn off. My poor drone, I hope it's working. So I read all the documents, nothing helped, but take out the battery for a second, put it back in, and let it reset, and it actually works fine now. It's still super humid though.
So after a lot of trial and error, I found the solution. Just get a hairdryer, put it on for 5 or 10 minutes, and it completely got rid of all the mist. And the drone, it works perfectly well. Look at it fly straight up, no issues. And my skills are not great yet, but this is me in manual mode. The quick shots, I like them, but they're very limited. There's only 4 of them on the Mavic Mini 2. There's a few more templated shots on the higher end drones, but I'm so happy I got this one. It's so small, it's gonna be so easy to travel with, it's so lightweight, and it's durable. I really believe that if it was a heavier, bigger drone, it probably had more damage falling, but because it's so small and light, it basically didn't feel like much when it fell. But either way, I am so fortunate that I have such a beautiful villa in the middle of Ahagama, Sri Lanka to be able to film at. Honestly, this is not the best place to practice as a new drone pilot, because if it falls into this water, there's no way I'm getting it back. And there's trees all around, but when you can get it to work, it is very rewarding. So that makes it absolutely worth it. It's such a breathtaking view. I've been so happy living in this villa, even though it is quite far from the beach and all the restaurants and civilization, as you can see. But let me give you a tour around my villa area, and maybe even all the way to the ocean, as you can see now.